Stock investing. On August 1st, I made over 3,400 in one day. So from beginning of August to August 8th, so about 6 trading days. So let's see how much I made. That will be 5,600 and over. So about 1,000 a day. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Today we're gonna talk about stocks and earnings, stock markets that happened in the past week, and also we're gonna look at 7 stocks that's gonna be reported earnings and which ones do I think is gonna go up and which one I'm thinking about. So how do you get profit like this? You wouldn't get it by just investing in S&P 500, or you wouldn't get it by just trading stock. Okay, so I invest in stock for long term, and I also trade options, mainly advanced options. So I sell put options, I sell cover call. So those are two of my favorite strategies. So we're gonna look at S&P 500. The past 5 days is going uptrend. So August is the uptrend because we have so many earnings reports. So September will be the one that we need to watch out for because most of the earnings reports are gonna be gone in September. So and the market's gonna take a breather. So they may probably pull back a little bit, which is totally normal. And stock market is up year to date 8.88%. So not bad. It's pretty good. So if you invest in real estate, if you get 7 to 10% a year, it's considered very well. So what we are really interested in is 5 year. Why is 5 year important? Because if we want to choose stocks, we want to choose stocks that beat S&P 500 over the past 5 years. So S&P 500 returned about 90% over the past 5 years. So we only gonna look at companies that beat S&P 500. And Nasdaq, the past 5 days is up 2.86%. Walmart is up 3.97%. Year to date, 11.25%. So from the bottom, so it was down for like 20%. Then and it's already up 30% from the bottom. That's pretty crazy return. Pretty good. Dow Jones down 1.03%. The past 5 is up. Okay, the past 5 days is uptrend. And Walmart is down because of United Healthcare. And year to date 4.21%. Dow Jones is not so excited. Okay, probably Nasdaq definitely better than S&P 500. Usually when it goes down more than S&P 500. So when it goes up more than S&P 500. Very normal. But we are only interested in S&P 500 because those are the top best 500 companies listed on US stock exchanges. So what happened last week? Except for a few boring data, yeah, there was some jobless claims. And the main thing was earnings. The earnings were fantastic. Like Palantir, up 17.72% over the past 5 days, right? Because like I said before in the previous week, I said Palantir is most likely gonna go up, and it's up 17%. And AMD, I wanted to go down. That's what I said. Right? I want AMD to go down. Yeah, it go down. It went down after the earnings report. Then it recovered a little bit. I think the chips is in really bullish state. Chips stocks are in really bullish state. 6 months ago, or maybe 3 or 4 months ago, it was in bearish state. So the state already changed. Caterpillar down 3.31%, and then look at this, 18.40% up. That's pretty good. I've been looking to buy this. I missed it, but it's alright. I still have other stock. See, it was down $64, and then. So how much short? Up 24.24%. So it's like I said, it's going uptrend. Short is going uptrend. Look at this. Okay, so it used to be over 160. So it's almost there. Look at it, it's beautiful, beautiful. Going back up. Eli Lilly, yeah, 70.67% down. Hey, I think Eli Lilly might be going down. Look at this. Year to date, 20% down. 5, hey, it's going down a little bit. I hope it drops 50%. That I may be interested by Eli Lilly. Yeah, another maybe around say $500, $450. Yeah, I may be interested to buy Eli Lilly. Yeah, US. Next week we have CPI data. Busy week. So Monday the stock market could be nervous a little bit. Then we have PPI data on Thursday. Yeah, Wednesday stock market could be a little bit nervous. But depending on the data, I think if inflation is in line or goes down, hey, interest rate cuts gonna go up, the rate, the chance. So you know what? Stock market could continue to go up. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, I think stock market could be muted. But we still have lots of earnings coming in. So the stock market could still be a little bit of slightly up. So stock number 7, SC stock. SC stock year to date up 40.76%. 5 years, look at the trend. SC stock is going up. Look at this. It's more than 3 times from the bottom. January 2024. Look at this, going up trend. See? 357. So it still has to go twice to reach this SC. Look at this, twice the amount. I think it could most likely probably go up. That's what I think. Continue to go up. Next one, CRWV. Yeah, it beat S&P 500, but it's just listed on the stock market. So my first criteria is it must be S&P 500 over the past 5 years. Next one, it has to be at least 10 years in the business. Okay. Or the third one is it has to be listed as a public company for at least 5 years. But it doesn't meet my third criteria. Has it been in business for at least 10 years? We can Google it, right? If you are interested, just Google founded. Or Google's gonna answer 2017. So it's not even 10 years yet. Okay, it's still very new. So I'm not going to buy COVID. I could trade depending on technical analysis, but I'm not going to buy. Okay, next one, CIRCL Internet Group. Yeah, it doesn't beat S&P 500. Okay, and also it has just been listed. This is the first earnings report after it became a public company. So let's see how long has it been around. Okay, if it doesn't meet my second or third criteria, I don't need to even look at it. October 2013. Okay, it's at least 10 years already. Okay, not bad, 10 years, but it has not been a public company for at least 5 years. So I will pass. I will just pass. I could probably trade, but I will just pass. Next one, NBIS Group. NVIDIA invests in this company. Okay, year to date 125.40% AI company. 5 years, it beat S&P 500, and also it has been around for at least 10 years. Okay, the only thing is it has not been a public company for at least 5 years. But I think that's something that I could invest in that company as a speculative stock. Okay, just a small portion, not so big portion. I could try that because it doesn't meet one of my criteria. I could look at their financial statement, balance sheet financial statement. If it's good, I could start a small proportion. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm thinking. Next one, dear company. This company has been around for a long time, since 1837. Okay, it's not easy to be around that long. Okay, it beat S&P 500. Yes. Okay, first criteria, second criteria, check. and it has been public company for at least 5 years, more than 5 years. Look at this, look at this. And yeah, it passed my 3 criteria. Number 4, do I like this business? I'm okay owning or not owning. Okay, agricultural machinery and heavy equipment. So right now I'm not going to buy. If it crash, okay, let's say if it reach like $400 or maybe $350, I may be interested in owning this company just for dividend, because it's a stable business. Okay, so right now, no, I will just pass. Next one, JD.com. It's a Chinese company. It doesn't be S&P 500. It's been like this for a long time. Okay, I sold it a long time ago, so I'm not looking to get back in. So we don't need to look at it. It doesn't be S&P 500. Next one is Tencent. Yes, it be S&P. It doesn't be S&P 500, but it's going back up, going up Trump. So not bad. But Chinese government cap the amount of revenue they can make from gaming. So that means their revenue is going to be limited. So I'm not going to buy Tencent, okay? Because whenever there's a cap on the revenue, it's not good investment. Of course, if the cap is so high, $trillions, that's a different story. But no, so right now, no. So I'm not going to buy. So which stock do you think I think it's gonna go up after earnings? Maybe Tencent, maybe SE. Yeah, only these two, Tencent and SE. The other stocks, I would just say 50-50. So which stock do you like the most? Comment down below. NBIS Group, maybe. NBIS Group, maybe, yes. Okay. So how I started this portfolio from zero. So what I did was I put $10 a day. Whenever I make money, I put in. So after that, I use stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced option to grow over 140,000. Now it's 150,000, almost 150,000. Year to date is up 52.59. 3 months is up 53.52. So what's your return for year to date? Comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, you can go to Master Rate Stock Option Crypto and subscribe to the channel and check out my playlist. You can reach out to me in the link YouTube description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you.